Hello students, hope you will be fine at your respective place. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of the third unit, that is the biology and the human welfare, and our subtopic is biopatent and biopiracy. Before going into the detailed discussion of the biopatent or biopiracy, let us first discuss what do we mean by this term patent. Patent is simply any right, it is simply the certificate, it is simply the authentication, it is simply what we call as a right which has been given by a government, which has been given by any authority to an inventor for his invention. Go simply what we will call as a patent. Patent is simply a right, patent is simply an certificate, patent is simply a authentication, authority authentication that is being given by the government to the inventor for his invention. Now it has been this, he has got the right, that inventor has got the right that he can make the commercial use of his invention for his personal use. Now let us move towards this, that is the main topic, that is the biopatent. Bio simply means the life, that is the living organisms. Here we will see that the government is giving the authority, government is giving the authentication, government is giving the right to an inventor for any living organism, for any bioresource, for any bioresearch. And this authority, this right, it has been given to an individual, it has been given to any institution, it has been given to any inventor, so that no one can make the improper use of that, so that no one can make the improper use of that invention. No one can make the profit from that invention. Now it is only up to the inventor that he can sell his possession, he can sell his invention to anyone. In many countries like US, like Germany, and many like US, Japan, and many European nations, where we will see that they are granting, that they are awarding this biopatent to their researchers. Now there has been some criteria on how this biopatent has been given. There are some criterion, or the three main criterion which are given to the inventor are that जो भी वो काम कर लेगा, that it must be the novel invention, it must be the new invention. For that, if it is a new invention, then they are giving him a patent, they are giving him a biopatent. Second one, that जो invention हुई है, it will be of useful, it will be of some utility. इसकी usefulness होनी चाहिए, इसकी utility होनी चाहिए. Third, जो इसका एक है, that it must be non-obvious, it must be not known. These are some of the criteria which are used for granting the biopatent. In biology, the biopatents are, these biopatents, they are mainly awarded for, number first, they are awarded for strains of microorganisms. When the new strains of microorganisms are discovered or invented, for that biopatents are awarded. So first one जो हमारे पास है, that is the strains are, जो हम कहेंगे biopatents, they are awarded for the strains of the microorganisms. Second one, that is the transgenic plants and animals. The biopatents, they are being awarded for the genetically modified organisms which we call as the transgenic plants and animals. Third, biopatents are awarded for protein encoded for DNA sequences. Fourth, biotechnology, या हम कहेंगे biopatent, they are being awarded for biotechnological methods, processes and applications. Biopatents are awarded for giving new bioproducts, and their applications. These are some of the cases, these are some of the branches where we will see that these biopatents are being awarded. Usually it has been found that the biopatent, जो इसकी duration रहती है, that it remains for a period of 5 years. After that, one has to renew his बायो पेटेंट, नॉर्मली ये देखा गया है कि जो बायो पेटेंट है इसका जो ड्यूरेशन है इट नॉर्मली रिमेन्स फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 5 years. आफ्टर दैट जो हमको क्या करना है, एक रिसर्चर को क्या करना है, एक इन्वेंटर को क्या करना है, दैट ही हैज टू what we call as he has to हम ये कहेंगे रिन्यूअल हिज बायो पेटेंट फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी, अदरवाइज जो उसका काम होगा, अदरवाइज जो उसका रिसर्च होगा, अदरवाइज जो इसकी इन्वेंशन होगी दैट मे बी stolen by someone else and he make the use of that and he can earn the profit, he can commercialize that rather. There are now patents जो बायो पेटेंट्स है they are not always authentic वो हमेशा नहीं होते हैं. There are some cases where we will see बायो पेटेंट जो है they have been cancelled. These are called as cancelled bio patents. There are some cases where we will see जो bio patent है it has not remained the right but they have been cancelled. For example, इंडिया में पाया जाता है, India is well known for its herbs, India is well known for its spices which have got a very well use in their medicinal value, which have got a well use in the herbs, in the Ayurvedic medicine, or they have got one of them is the turmeric. That turmeric जो हम कहते हैं कि it is known to the India from the ancient times that this turmeric या जिसको हम हल्दी कहते हैं that it has got the wound healing ability. It has got the wound healing ability. Now some developed nations like America, they have encoded the gene. They have encoded this. They have made the patent for this turmeric, but that has been challenged by the India. That has been challenged by the India that this turmeric it has been used to the Asian country, has been used, that it is being used by we people from generation to generation from ancient time. Then that is not a new invention, that is not a novel, but it is already known to India and it has been challenged. So this is called as the cancelled bio patent. One more example is there. Basmati rice is well known for its aroma, it is well known for its taste, it is well known for its flavor, and this basmati rice it is cultivated in India from ancient times. लेकिन ये देखा गया है कि American जो है that is the US America, what they have done, they have made the patent of this basmati rice. उन्होंने क्या किया है, they have crossed this basmati rice with the dwarf variety of America, and जो हम वहां पर जो hybrid निकला, जो वहां पर जो cross निकला, that is called as the new variety. But जब ये पता चला that it is actually the basmati rice, that new variety, it has got the same flavor, it has got the same taste, it has got the same aroma as that of the basmati rice, it has been challenged and again that patent has been cancelled. So there are also the cases where we will see that the bio patents can be cancelled. Now this bio patent it has got some importance. First one, that is it can be used, it may be very much helpful, that it can be as the direct incentive for genetic engineering. कोई भी काम करना होगा, कोई भी रिसर्च हमको जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में करनी होगी, वहां पर हम देखते हैं कि that this bio patent it plays an important, it is an incentive, as a direct incentive for doing some genetic engineering work. Second one, it plays an important role in increasing the economic growth of that region. That is about this what we call as the patent and bio patent. Now हमारा जो टॉपिक है that is this second topic, that is this bio. Now second topic, that is the biopiracy. You are well aware about the term pirates. What do the word pirates mean? Pirates simply means, अगर in general अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, that they are simply the bloodthirsty. They stole things and they kill others in order to enrich themselves. You are well aware अगर आप बताएंगे पायरेट्स क्या हम करते हैं, दे आर द ब्लड थर्स्टी, दे स्टील थिंग्स, दे किल अदर्स इन ऑर्डर टू एनरिच themselves. बट if we talk of this term biopiracy, biopiracy अगर हम कहेंगे biopirates are there, that term is slightly different. It is not like that. Here no one is being killed, here no one is being stealing takes place there, thefting takes place there, but no one is killed there. And you will see they do not kill, but they simply, they are patent, they are given the right from the government, they are protected by the law. Now what do we mean by this? Now अब हमारे पास term आ गई, what do we mean by the biopiracy? Now we were talking about this biopiracy. Now the term, what do we mean by the biopiracy? Biopiracy simply means the unauthorization, simply हम कहेंगे the exploitation, the utilization of the bioresources from a country by several organizations or by some multinational companies without proper, हम कहेंगे authentication by, or some कहेंगे they are not given authority by the parent country, and that is called as the biopiracy. So simply what do you mean by the biopiracy? Biopiracy is the exploitation, it is the utilization of the bioresources from a country by several organizations and multinational companies without proper authority, without proper authority by the parent country. That is known as the biopiracy. Now it is usually done without compensating, यहाँ पर compensation कुछ नहीं दे, it is usually done without compensating the indigenous people or country from which it has been taken, from which the material, from which the relevant knowledge has been obtained. It happens when researchers or research organization, ये कब हो जाता है, when the researchers or the research organization take biological resource without official sanctions, largely from, वो कहाँ से वो हासिल करते हैं, largely from less affluent countries, और हम कहेंगे from the developing nation. You might are well aware that there are the world, it has been classified economically, it has been classified into two parts. That is, we have got the developed nations and the developing nations. Developed nations, what are they? They are financially rich, but अगर हम बात करेंगे biodiversity, they are lacking in the biodiversity, while as in case of the developing nation, they are rich in the biodiversity, but they are lacking in the finance. So it is those developed nation that take the advantage of this financial aspect of the developing nation, that they take, that they steal, that they took these researches, they take these inventions, they take these products, bioproducts from those non-essential countries. The term biopiracy की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it was coined by Pat Money, P-A-T, Pat Money, M-O-O-N-E-Y, Pat Money. And what he has studied, he studied that this term simply it describes a practice in which ये एक कैसी practice है in which indigenous knowledge जो होती है is used by others, in which indigenous knowledge, that is the native knowledge, is used by others for profit without any authentication, without any permission, without any what we will call as the certificate authority. So we can say that this is the theft, rather it is a sort of the theft with जहाँ पर theft हो रही है, but with which is legalized. Now majority, what are those cases, जहाँ पर हम ये देखते हैं कि what are the cases, अगर हम ग्लोबली देखेंगे कि ज़्यादातर जो हम बायोपायरेसी करते हैं वो किन कंपोनेंट्स में हम कर लेते हैं. दे आर मैनली द मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स, दे आर मैनली इन द फील्ड ऑफ फार्मिंग एंड एग्रीकल्चर, एंड थर्ड वन इज द वेरियस वेराइटीज ऑफ द फूड क्रॉप्स. Now we have got some examples of this biopiracy. Biopiracy की एक हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है, that is the biopiracy. एक बेरी है, that is called as a अफ्रीका में एक बेरी है, that is called as a super sweet berry. दिस सुपर स्वीट बेरी, उसका नाम क्या, उस प्लांट का नाम क्या है? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पेंटाडिप्लेंड्रा ब्राजीन्स। पेंटाडिप्लेंड्रा ब्राजीन्स, ये उस प्लांट का नाम है। इट इज ग्रोन, इज अ प्लांट, दिस पेंटाडिप्लेंड्रा ब्राजीन्स, इट इज अ प्लांट दैट इज mainly grown in the west of Africa, South Africa rather, and it is a vital source of the protein. That protein is called as the Brazil protein. ये कहा जाता है कि जो वहां के जो नेटिव लोग हैं, दे यूज इट एज ए, वो इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं एज ए लो कैलोरी स्वीटनर। और इसमें ये पाया गया है दैट इट हैज गॉट 2000 टाइम्स मोर शुगर। स्वीट जो होता है, इट इज 2000 मोर स्वीट देन द ऑर्डिनरी शुगर। बट ये देखा गया रिसेंटली, जो हम देखेंगे what we call as the American countries, the United Nations, they have got the patent of this plant. What they have encoded the gene of this, and then they have inserted that gene in the maize kernels. But that is the purpose. They have made the theft rather in this case. Second one, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इंडिया में एक what we call as this plant that has got the medicinal value, that is the neem plant. The botanical name of that is a Darakhtha indica, and this plant, it is a native of the India from the ancient times. Neem has been very much useful to the Indians in several ways. Majority जो हम देखेंगे that it has got some medicinal value, and Indians जो है they have shared this knowledge regarding the beneficial values of the neem across the globe, and this knowledge, this sharing of the knowledge, it has proven what we call as faithful, हम नहीं कहेंगे faithful, FAT, it has become somewhat ये उनके लिए, इंडिया के लिए नुकसानदेह हो गया। इन द ईयर 1994 जो यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर है एंड एन अमेरिकन कंपनी जो वहां पर उन्होंने क्या बना, उन्होंने एक पेटेंट बनाया किसका, इसी what we call as this neem plant for controlling various fungal diseases in plant, and they said that this जो है this plant, it has got the capacity to cure many fungal disease in the plant. But after seeing this जब हमने इंडिया रिसर्चर्स ने इसका देखा that it is a neem plant, it has got the extractions which are found in the neem plant, it has got the composition which has found in the neem plant, so this has altogether been what we will call as उसको भी हमने फिर कैंसिल कर लिया और इंडिया वालों ने वो भी वापस लाए। बट इट हैज बीन द बायोपायरेसी, एंड दिस बायोपायरेसी अगर हम बात करेंगे, इट हैज बीन स्टार्टेड व्हाट वी कॉल एज दिस एंशिएंट टाइम्स, जब उसने what we call as this Charles Darwin, when he was on a voyage, he takes some plants from the Madagascar, उसने वहां से प्लांट्स लाए। दैट द सॉर्ट ऑफ बायोपायरेसी, बट एट दैट टाइम देयर वर नो सच लॉज जो इस बायोपायरेसी को खत्म करने में मदद कर लेगा। सेकंड वन, अगर हम बात करेंगे रॉयल बॉटनिकल गार्डन्स, दे हैव टेकन सम प्लांट्स from different countries and they have grown those plants in India. That is the sort of the biopiracy, but at that time it is the initial part in the 19th century. But at that time what we will see, there were not such agency which can control that theft, which can control that what we call as the theft, or we can say that stealing of the crops from one country to another country. So this biopiracy, what we have studied, that is a biopatent. Biopatent simply means that it is a right, it is the authentication, it's a certificate which has been given by a country to an inventor, to a company, to an individual, to an institution, in such a way that he can make the proper use of his invention for his personal gains, for his profit. And biopiracy simply means that it is the unauthorization, it is not, there is no authority that a particular plant, it has been stolen from one country and other country, from the parent country to the other country, and the patent that has been made, they make the commercial use of that, they earn the profit without giving any compensation to the inventor. That is all for today. Hope you will remain fine at your places. God bless you. Thanks.